Hello everyone, Seb at Seb's RC Shop here. We got the new TRX 4 kit here. It's the TRX 4 Sport. I'm just gonna open one up to see what's inside. It's a mystery, right? So we gotta see what's going on in there. Oh, this one opens all weird like a shoebox, I think. I think it does. Okay. Oh, there it goes. And oh yeah, all completely unassembled. The wheels are not glued. Double check. Yeah, not glued. This is the awesome roof rack here with all the accessories and the rest of the vehicle. There it is. Well, and here we have the clear body, pre-drilled, pre-cut. They got the headlight buckets cut out, which is fantastic. Everything pre-drilled, pre-cut, rear as well. And the rest is just standard build the kit type of stuff. There you go. That's about it. That's what's inside.